So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of Whirlpool Inverter AC remote in very detailed and simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that, the next button is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will go on decreasing. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 32 degrees. If you only want cooling and want to reduce the electricity bill, then use it in 26. It is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel too cool at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees. And if you feel hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. After that, the next button is mode. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode. Now the mode is in cool. Now the mode is in dry. Now the mode is in fan. Now I will tell you the details of the mode in detail in very simple words. In cool mode, all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool. And in cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. After that, the next mode is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat, so using the AC in dry removes that humidity. After that, the next mode is fan mode. In fan, the AC will not do cooling, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want the cooling of the AC and you only want to use the fan of the AC, then you can use fan mode. The next button is swing. The swing in front of the AC, this button is for this. It works in up down. By using this swing, the cooling of AC will spread quickly in the room. And wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, the flap of AC will stop there. And by pressing this button again, the swing flap will start working automatically. The next button is Eco. The Eco, or Energy Saver mode in Whirlpool AC is a feature designed to reduce energy consumption, thereby reducing the electricity bill. This mode usually works by adjusting the temperature and fan speed to reduce the amount of energy required to keep the room cool. After that, the next button is Sixth Sense. On pressing the Sixth Sense button on the remote controller, the Sixth Sense icon will appear on the remote controller display. The air conditioner will automatically adjust the temperature and humidity. Whirlpool Sixth Sense technology is a smart feature in air conditioners that automatically adjusts temperature, humidity and airflow to provide optimum comfort. It uses sensors to monitor room conditions and adjust settings to save energy. The next button after that is Turbo. Generally, whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes, but by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this, the room cools very quickly. After that, the next button is fan. This is for the speed of the fan that is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Now the fan speed is in auto. Now the fan speed is in low. Now the fan speed is in medium. Now the fan speed is in high. You can control the fan speed according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the fan speed to high. The next button is sleep. The sleep mode on Whirlpool Inverter AC gradually increases the temperature throughout the night so that you can sleep comfortably. This is a low power mode that helps you save energy. The AC gradually increases the temperature by 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius per hour, up to a maximum of 3 degrees Celsius per hour. When the desired temperature is reached, the AC automatically turns off and turns on again. Sleep mode helps you sleep easily. If you wake up in the middle of the night, it helps you get back to sleep quickly and can increase the life of your system and reduce AC servicing costs. And those who want to sleep comfortably without overcooling and want to save money on electricity bills can use sleep. The next button is silent. By pressing the silent button, the fan speed of the indoor unit becomes very low and your AC will start running in a completely silent mode. The next button is dim. By pressing the dim button, the display of your AC will turn off but your AC will remain on. You can use this button only to turn off the light of the display of the AC. The next button is timer. To set the timer, you have to set the present time in the remote. Only then you can use the timer. To set the time in the remote, first press the set time button. Now you can see that the time has started blinking on the screen of the remote. Now you set the present time. Now you can see that the present time in my mobile is 11:50 am. So now I will set 11:50 am with the temperature up and down button of the remote. Now I have added the present time in the remote. Now again press the time button so that the present time will be set. On pressing the time button, you can see the timer on time in the remote. To turn on the AC automatically, we first have to set the time in timer on. Suppose I want my AC to turn on automatically at 10 pm. So now I will set 10 pm using the up and down buttons of the timer on the remote. Now I have set the 10 pm time in the remote. Now I will press the time button again so that 10 pm will be set. As soon as you press the time button, you can see the time of timer off. It starts blinking. And pay attention to what time you want to turn off your AC, then set that time. Suppose I want to turn off the AC at 5 am, then I will set the time to 5 am. And then if you press the time button, the timer will be set to off. You can see the time of timer on and timer off by pressing the timer button in the remote. If you have understood the information given by me, then like my video and subscribe to my channel.